Alright, back here on Maurice's vet, I'm getting rid of this ridiculous mess here. Also, use the right damn clamp. Jesus. At least the right size. And see that, my friends, that would be an air pocket. That's bad. This could be helping your overheating. We saw yesterday that we were up to 195 and staying. There we go. And we're draining. Yes, I have a pan down there. Much better. So, garbage disposal hose. Bye-bye. We get plugs for this. Handle that. Let that do its thing, because we're going to pull thermostat as well. So we're going to put in a 160. Alright, so removing our thermostat housing. Oh, God. That thing's on there. Way too tight! Alright, there we go. Alright. Much water in there, obviously, but all right, reusable gasket. I'm actually okay with this. This is nice. You know, a lot of these are junk, but this is really nice. So we're just gonna hold on to that. Thermostat. Yeah. This says it's a 160, but it's a really cheapy MotorRad because it didn't even do jack till 195 yesterday. So that air pocket's definitely an issue. We're gonna get a nice performance high flow stat for this and get rid of this air pocket and do something about this hose too, because that was a lot of coolant. There's definitely gonna be air up in here too. Just not designed well. But yeah, it was a 160, but it was a cheap ass MotorRad POS. So we'll get a good one and we'll bring some vacuum caps. All right, science. Thermostat, in stove, well, on stove, in pot of water. Temp probe for my barbecue. 79 degrees, 93 degrees. Don't mind the dog squeaking. So we're gonna see when this water hits 160, or up to 103, if this opens or not.
I'm betting it opens after. 105. Actually, I'll put it right on. Right in there with the stat. 123. Non-scientific, scientific. 129. 132. They're at 135 right now.
Oh, 141. 20 degrees, maybe less. Oh, if it was pork, it'd be done. Get it? See if it was tri-tip, it'd be done, or a brisket. 151. It's Bubbles already forming on the bottom of the pan. 165. And it's not open yet. And it's supposed to be a 160. $170. Not open. Starting to move. $175. It's opening. $181. It's not fully open, but it's there. So it's at 187, which is basically 190, and it's just now fully opened. Definitely, oh, 192, look. And it's finally fully opened. Yeah, guess what? Not rated what it's supposed to be.